Statewide's MySuper investment option produced a return of 1.61%. Over 5 years, this MySuper return is still strong, over 9%, and most of the options remain in the top quartile. If there's one word to describe the September quarter, I'd say it's volatility. July saw markets up 2 to 3%, August they were down 2 to 3%, and September they were back up again 2 to 3%. So at times of volatility, we recommend members stay diversified. By investing in one of Statewide's diversified options, members have access to thousands of different investments. Those investments move up and down, but overall the portfolio is designed to protect from short-term market movements like those that we've seen the last quarter. In relation to Australia's economy, there's not a large impact. Australia keeps bubbling along, albeit growth is pretty weak. From an investment perspective, there's been volatility in markets. So you're seeing these plus and minus 2 to 3% movements in share prices, and that's going to continue until we get resolution on the trade situation. Brexit's also been a factor, but thankfully, again, the Australian economy is quite protected from anything that goes on over there. I think there's general consensus that the rate cuts aren't having much effect on the Australian economy. You used to see people with home loans go out and start spending whenever there was a rate cut by the RBA. That's not happening anymore because people have changed their spending habits. But also there's a group of the community that are being punished by lower rates, and that's retirees and people that are trying to live off their savings. When cash rates were 3-4%, there was an income that people could generate off their savings. At 0.75%, that's very hard to live off. And so retirees are faced with a conundrum of, do I have to cut back my spending, or do I have to move up the risk curve and perhaps take exposure to assets like shares that they're not that comfortable having? At the end of the year, we like to reflect on the last 12 months, and 2019's certainly been a year of volatility caused by some amazing geopolitical events. Things like trade wars, Brexit have really added uncertainty and volatility in investment markets. At the end of the year is also a good time for members to consider their investment options and make sure they're appropriate for the years ahead. If you're unsure as to which investment option is the right one for your needs, please give us a call, come and see us, and we're happy to give you some tailored advice. The Super Hub's a new initiative we've implemented here at Statewide, and we're all very excited to see how it goes. The concept's really helping people get closer to their superannuation and get a better understanding of everything there is to know about super, whether it's the investment side through to things like insurance and retirement planning. So the Statewide Super Hub is available for Statewide members as well as anyone in the community that wants to learn some more about their superannuation. It's open Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 5 p.m, so consider this your invitation and come on in and see us.
The advice in this video is general advice only. It may not be appropriate for you, and we recommend you obtain independent financial advice and consider the applicable PDS before making an investment decision.